Hey friends, in this video I'll show you 7 mind-blowing AI facts in 60 seconds. Let's jump in.
Fact 1. We first called it artificial intelligence in 1956 at Dartmouth College.
Fact 2. Today, half of all new AI startups are outside the US and Europe. Fact 3. Training one big AI model can power 5,000 homes for one day, so saving energy is important. Fact 4. AI already helps doctors in over 1 million surgeries every year. Fact 5. New AI tools can translate over 100 languages live while you speak. Fact 6. By 2028, most AI will run right on your own device. Fact 7. Your phone today is faster than a giant supercomputer from the 1990s. Thanks for watching. Like, comment your best AI fact, and hit subscribe for more fun.